Hey guys, it's Susan from Tamagems. Let's make some beautiful turquoise and pearl earrings. Okay, let's get started making these beautiful earrings. Okay, so what you're going to need are 3 head pins, and these are 2-inch head pins. Then you're going to need 14 freshwater pearls. These are probably about 4 millimeters. And these are also 4 millimeter turquoise beads. You'll need 4 of these. You'll need another little, this is a connector, a turquoise connector with loops on each side in a teardrop shape. You'll need a jump ring, 6 millimeters, and you'll need your little chandelier connector. Also going to need a little earring. Let's work on the body first. So we're going to use one of our head pins, and we're going to put on 2 turquoise beads, and then we're going to add 4 pearls. Okay, so we've got one row done. The middle row is going to be 3 pearls, 1 turquoise, and 1 pearl. Okay, the last row's going to have 1 turquoise, and we're going to put on 6 pearls, and that should be our design. Okay, this is number 5, and then we've got our last pearl. Okay, so let's start by pushing the wire to the back like that on all of them. Just bending it to the back with our chain nose pliers. Like that. Then we're going to use our flush cutters and cut so we have about 1 centimeter of wire. So let's do that for all 3. Then we're going to use our round nose pliers, and we're going to roll the wire towards us, making a loop like that. So let's do all 3 of those. So roll it towards us, adjusting our pliers as we roll so we can get our loop in. Okay, I'm going to bring my connector in and my chain nose pliers. I'm going to open up the loop. Oh, I have to look at here to see what our pattern is. So this is the side. Hang that on and close it up. The large one goes on the side. So this also is a side one. Close that up. And then the middle one, which is the shortest one, goes in the middle. So open that up. Hang that on. And close it up. We need to open up our jump ring. So let me get my bent chain nose pliers on this side, and I'm going to twist it open, and then I'm going to hang on my teardrop, and then I'm going to hang on my chandelier, and then close that up. And then I'm going to just open up my lever back by twisting it open. I'm going to hang my connector right on there and twist it back. And there you have it. Easy peasy. Beautiful turquoise and pearl chandelier earrings. I hope you enjoyed this video and you will give these earrings a try. They are so lovely and vibrant on. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks for joining me. See you again next time.